Hello everyone, in this video I will be show you how to change video background with color gradient in CapCut. So here I'm using CapCut for VC, and for example I'm going to add this video to edit, and then I am going to remove the background before. Just click cutout and select this auto cutout. So here, and I'm going to fill the background. Just click basic and swipe up, and then change this background with style option, and then swipe up. You can looking for color gradient in here. You can select this one, show it. For example, okay, just select as you want. Okay, here we go. That's how to change video background with color gradient in CapCut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe, and you can click thanks button for appreciation and share. Thanks, bye bye.